Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 2 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, highlighting the James Charles Morphe palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 2 in this 10 looks using 1 palette series. First, taking this Moda crease brush, picking up Tune, and I am just laying that down as a transition shade. On that same brush, picking up B. This yellow is really intense. It still looks really intense, but I wanted to tone it down a little bit. That's why I went in with that first shade. And I'm sorry that my voice still sounds like this. Next, on this Morphe R37, picking up 518, I'm going to work that into the crease. Taking this Luxie mini angled brush, picking up 10% off, and placing that on the outer corner. The way that's looking, so I think I can't decide if I want to do a half cut crease. I'm just gonna go in with wig on my finger. Oh my gosh, that is pretty. I'm gonna do a very bright inner corner, and I'm gonna drag it up right on the very inner corner of the lid to really brighten the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and add a wing with my Physicians Formula eye booster, and now I'm gonna pop on some lashes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up this look. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I am filming a foundation wear test on this foundation, so if you want to see that, it will be coming up next. First, taking that brush that had 10% off, I'm going to focus that on the outer half. Then taking the brush with 518, smoking out that first color and going a little farther in. Then going in with a more detailed brush. This I'm pretty sure is from Wish. I'm picking up that yellow, which is B, and focusing that on the inner corner and lightly blending it out under the rest. Then I'm popping on this 24/7 Glide On Pencil from Urban Decay and Yeyo. And popping on some mascara. Then picking up Ring Light, I'm putting that on the inner corner and under the arch of my brow. And I am dragging that color on the top and bottom. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 2 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, highlighting the James Charles Morphe palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Like I said, I am filming a foundation wear test, so that video should be coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.